Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create the virtual machine on the Windows 10 system. We will first enable the Hyper-V role on the Windows 10 system, then we will create the Windows 10 virtual machine on it. Let's start. There are three prerequisites for this method. One is Windows edition, second is system type, and third one is to enable the virtualization technology in the BIOS. If I go to this PC and right click on the properties, you can see here my Windows edition is Windows 10 Pro. It should be Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Enterprise. You cannot create the virtual machine over the Windows 10 Home Edition. And you can see here my system type is 64-bit. To show you the third prerequisite, which is the enabling the virtualization technology in the BIOS, I will restart my system and take you to the BIOS screen of my system. I am on the BIOS screen of my system, and under the security tab you can find the option of virtualization technology, which we can enable and disable. For Hyper-V to work, we have to enable it. Just save the changes and exit from the BIOS. My main system has booted to OS. If I go to run appvoice.cpl and if I go to turn Windows feature on or off, I will maximize it. You can find the option Hyper-V here. I will tick this and I will tick the both the options present below the Hyper-V. I will press OK. It is asking to restart the system. I will go ahead and restart my system. If I go to this PC, D drive, I have created one folder here. Inside this, I have created one more folder for the Windows 10 virtual machine. Inside this, I have copied the Windows 10 ISO. I will go to start and I will search here Hyper-V. I will open the Hyper-V manager. I will maximize it. On the left side, I will select the my system and I will go to action, new virtual machine. Next, I will give the virtual machine name here. I will tick here and I will provide the path of my local system to save the virtual machine. Select folder. Next, generation 2. Next, startup memory, I will select 1024 MB. Here in drop down, I will select default switch. Next, disk size, I will give here 30 GB for the virtual machine. Next, I will tick here and I will give the path to the Windows 10 ISO in my local system. Open. next finish. It is creating the Windows 10 virtual machine. Okay, you can see here Windows 10 virtual machine has been created, which is showing in off state. I will select the virtual machine. I will right click on it and I will select the start. I will again right click on the virtual machine and I will select connect. Console of the Windows 10 virtual machine is open now. I will go to action and I will give the Control Alt Delete. I will press any key here to boot from the ISO. Next, install now. In the drop down list, I will select the Windows 10 Pro. Next, accept. Next, custom, new, apply, OK. Next, Windows 10 operating system installation has started. It will take some time to complete. It is restarting here first time to complete the OS installation. After the reboot, it will resume the OS installation. It is restarting here second time to complete the OS installation. Yes. I will set the username vadmin. Next, I will set the password for the username. Next, I will confirm the password here. Next, I will set the 3 security questions here. Next, accept, accept, accept. Connect. It will reset the resolution of the virtual machine. I will provide the password for the vAdmin. Yes, it has taken the IP address from the DHCP, and here I have successfully logged into the newly created Windows 10 virtual machine. I will go to start CMD, ipconfig. This is the local IP address of my newly created Windows 10 virtual machine. If I do the ping google.com, I am able to ping the Google, which means I am able to reach the internet. And here my Windows 10 virtual machine is ready for the use. That's it today, friends. By this way we can configure the Hyper-V role for the Windows 10 and we can create the virtual machine over it. Like the video, share it with the friends and spread the knowledge. Subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.